All right, guys, y'all know what time it is. SAS at Bath and Body Works. Yes, today is the first day of the SAS semi-annual sale. Oh yes, what an occasion it is. Yes, so I'm in front of the mall right now. We're about to go in so I can show you guys what they have at the SAS. Oh my goodness, I am super excited. I only brought one coupon. Yes, because I'm not trying to spend more than $40. So I only have one coupon. Do y'all think I can do it? I hope so. I hope I can stick to my budget. I may just show everything in one video, what I got and everything in the car. Y'all, I am dressed for the occasion, dressed for the occasion. I am super excited about this. Oh my God. SAS, it's finally here. We've talked about it for like a month and now it is finally time. So let me get my butt up in this mall so I can see what they got. Okay, guys, we're back in the car. Okay, my thoughts on the sale. Things are going to go 75% soon, so don't go too ham. I didn't go too ham, thank God. I only spent, what was my total? My total was $51.24 with tax, so it was only $51.24 is the amount I spent. I don't think I will be going. I'll go back in for y'all, but there's only one candle I wanted that I couldn't get, and that one candle was ice cream shop. I didn't see ice cream shop, so that's the only thing I'm going to go back for again. But I did get everything else that I wanted, so I'm going to show you guys what I got. Wrapped in sugar. Oh my goodness, I love this packaging of the wrapped in sugar. And I normally would have waited to this one 75% off, but I just had to have it because I love this smell. So I got it for what was it, 50% off. So I mean, it was like $6 and some change. Packaging is super, super cute on Wrapped in Sugar. This is coconut martini, marshmallow musk, soft amber, warm woods. Very, very pretty. And I even got the body wash to it, because last time Wrapped in Sugar was out, I only got the lotion. I didn't get anything else. So to be able to have the whole line, this was the main thing I was after, and I was able to get it since they didn't bring back Tutte Dulce, which they should have. I don't understand why they did not. I did pick up two things that they have at like almost every SAS, is the beach water coconut. So I got the beach water coconut shea and aloe shower gel. It smells really good. It's creamy coconut milk, sparkling bergamot, bamboo leaves, saltwater musk. So I picked that up, and I picked up the Fine Fragrance Mist. Sorry about the lighting, guys, because I'm in the car, and y'all see all the kids' stuff is back there too. Their little juices and Paw Patrol. So I got that. I did pick up, what else did I get? I did get two things from the watermelon lemonade. This at the last SAS even went down to 75% off, but I really wanted it. I don't know why I wanted it this time. I said last year this is like a kitty smell, and it really is. But I wanted this version of the watermelon lemonade. It's a very sour watermelon lemonade, and I wanted it. I didn't get it in the and it was only 50% off. I didn't get it in the lotion because I just think that was too much. But the shower gel, having the shower smell like it and then have the after spray of it, I thought this was a good one. So I bought that. And the last thing, no, I got two more things in here. I got the Honolulu Sun Antibacterial Hand Spray. So I picked that up as well. I just like the little Honolulu, you know, the little girl, the Hawaiian dress on it. So I like that. And then here's my candle that I got. Oh, saltwater taffy. Shake that Laffy Taffy. That Laffy Taffy, girl. I got the saltwater taffy. Oh my goodness. It smells so good. It smells different than the saltwater taffy I got from TJ Maxx. It does smell different than that. So the only one I want now is Ice Cream Shop, and these were $12.95. So I want Ice Cream Shop, and I'll probably get the Boardwalk, but the Boardwalk's always going to be there. But I want that one too. And the notes on saltwater taffy: chewy vanilla cream, fresh berries, juicy cherries with essential oils. Yes, it smells really, really good, and it's a lot different than the one from the candle I got from TJ Maxx. And I think the packaging is so cute. And I love the pink wax, if you guys can see the pink wax. So yeah, that's everything I got from the SAS. I will do another haul. Y'all know I will, because I am going to go in there. Like I said, there's a couple more candles I want. There's no more body care that I want. Just a few candles that I'm looking for. So don't worry. Another Come With Me will be coming. This was at the Outlet Mall in Round Rock. The next one, I think I'm just going to go to the, I think I'm going to go back to the Domain again. I really like that mall. So I'm probably going to hit up the Domain again this weekend. And I'll go to the Bath and Body Works at the Domain. And we'll see what they have there and what candles I can get there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe. And if you like that I was up and had this video up the day the sales start, make sure you subscribe, because I try to keep y'all up to date on the new up on this channel. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.